Hello everyone. Now I am going to talk about Optometrist license in UAE. As we know that UAE mainly 4 licensing body. One is to DHA to work in Dubai, DOH to work in Abu Dhabi, MOH to work in Northern Emirates, Sharjah Health Authority for Sharjah. So as my previous video I have explained detail about this license, each Emirates license and procedure steps and everything. Today's video, this video is only for optometrist and related to the subject. In ophthalmology, there are mainly 4 licensing titles are available. The first one is Dispensing Optician. The qualification required for is BSc in Optical Dispensing plus 2 years of experience. If you have 2 years diploma, then you are also able to apply, but you need 4 years of experience. The qualification required for is BSc in Optical Dispensing plus 2 years of experience. If you have 2 years diploma, then you are also able to apply, but you need 4 years of experience. The third one is Optometrist. Optometrist, we need bachelor degree plus 2 years of experience. So these are the important title in this category. The Optometrist need bachelor degree plus 2 years of experience. If you have diploma, you can go to technicians, or if you have bachelor degree plus 2 years experience, you can attend as a optometrist. And the last title is Orthoptist. So we need bachelor degree in the specific subject orthoptics, then 2 years of experience, you are able to apply for this designation. So these are the 4 titles available in UAE for this ophthalmology technician technologist category. If you would like to apply for this any category, you can contact Foreign Plus. We will guide you how to get the license. And please note, when you are taking the experience, what designation you are going to apply, the same designation experience, try to prepare it. That is required for the application. So my name is Shijo Thomas. I am a health licensing consultant from Foreign Plus Health Professional and Facility Registration Firm. If you want to apply for the licensing process, you can contact us through this WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.